Welcome to this tutorial on activating your Soil Scout lifetime warranty. If your site is eligible for lifetime warranty, you'll see a notification directly on your site view. Start by going to Settings and scrolling down to the Organization section. Here, you can enter your organization's details. This information is required for site management and administrative purposes, so we recommend choosing an organization contact that will remain stable over time, such as Accounting Department. Next, select a contact person. You can choose from the list of existing users who already have access to the site, or create a new one in the User Management page, accessible from the burger menu in the top right corner of your screen. This contact person will be the primary point of contact for technical support. If you want to add a contact person, you need to go to the User Management page and click the green icon. Fill in all contact details, including the email address and phone number. This information is essential to ensure we can provide fast, efficient, and seamless support whenever you need it. Once you have saved, the new user will appear in the Contact Person list in the settings. You only need to select it from the drop-down menu. Once all information is completed, simply check the Lifetime Warranty box and save your changes. Your warranty status is now updated, and the notification will disappear from your site view. Your lifetime warranty remains active as long as your subscription is up to date. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.